So this song is for all those Bhagyamani who are successfully get their love easily and they're happy in their real life, but there might be some people who are not Bhagyamani, they are abhagi in their real life. So this song is dedicated to that person who never get their love in real life. Bhagyamani खैको नि जो तिम्रो न्यानो अङ्गालो आउँछ रे म पनि अनाडी दिन सकिन माया तिमीलाई मनभरि आसे मारी दुखी ऐसे मरे सकी तिम्रै यादमा डुबेर म भागिरहेछु बचाइरहेछन् तिम्रै यादहरू बचाइरहेछन् तिम्रै याद अब आसी आसमा ऐसे मरिजाऊ भाग्यमानी रहेछ खैको नि तिम्रो न्यानो अङ्गालो आउँछ रे म परे अनाडी दिन सकिन माया तिमीलाई